Zant and Scott Bremner.
All right, well, after the Virginia Tech shooting, universities across America have been looking into ways to warn students of potential dangers. Edinboro University thinks they may have the answer. WSCE Newswatch reporter John Trainer is live in the studio tonight to explain.
Well, it's a simple solution to a sudden and complex problem, campus emergencies. And the answer might be in the palm of your hand.
At Edinboro University, student safety is the top priority. After the shootings at Virginia Tech, the university has worked to keep thousands of students safe and up to date if an emergency happens.
Sometimes in an emergency situation, such as an active shooter, you don't have any warning. And you're dealing with trying to mitigate as much as you can after the fact.
Edinboro developed a new program called E2 Campus, completely free to students, that sends text messages warning of campus evacuations or weather emergencies.
After Virginia Tech, everyone started looking and saying, what else can we do using the technology that's available to enhance our communications and emergency planning?
Edinboro University student Ryan Parkin signed up for the E2 on Wednesday. For him, the idea of getting text messages makes him feel safer on campus and will help keep him safe on the road during those Edinboro winters.
It definitely makes me feel a lot safer. I mean, because a lot of kids, they put their phones on vibrate. It's not really an interruption. You can just check your text.
The program is already up and running. To sign up, students and faculty can head to www.edinboro.edu and click on the Campus Alert link. Sign up is completely free. The messages are billed to the wireless carrier.
Now, it's only been a week since the cell phone program was put into place, and already 60 students have signed up. Reporting live in the studio, John Trainer, WSCE Newswatch.
All right, John, thank you. Well, speaking of